Hi, my name is Robert Faber, and I'm just going to do a little feature showcase based off a level that I built in a level design class at Full Sail University. Just a quick little outside look at my level. This is the starting area from where we begin over here with our starting player. That transfers through to our level that we created here. So yeah, let's give it a little play, and I'll showcase some of the features that I created and scripted. So when we load up the editor, apologies for the loud sound there. Starting checkpoint. This is where our player looks. We have a little mechanic where we can use a little laser beam thing to kind of lift objects up and move them into place. So when we enter here, we have three different areas. Featured asset that I scripted, wind turbine and entryway animator, and scripting object thing that I put together in kind of a little hubcap simple setup area here with objects snapping into place. So here we have these tire objects that we can move around with our little laser gravity gun thing. When we get over here, it snaps right into place, and you see a little prompt at the bottom that says I snapped a tire into place. If we move on into the simple setup room here, we have a couple little of small puzzles where we can move this wooden box out of the way, slide this plank in, and then move this wooden box up here, getting on top of it to reach the hubcap that we need for the forklift over here. We have interactive buttons here to move it into place. And then if we go back to the forklift here, it gives us a prompt to attach the hubcap with a little sound effect noticing that we snap the hubcap into place on the forklift. So if we go into the wind turbine and entryway area here, see we have 3 wind turbines that I built and animated inside of Unity and scripted to work, moving up and down with their respective trigger switches here. So if I click one of them, it goes down. Same thing should work with the other 2. Click it, it falls into place. Same with this one. And then if I hit E again to interact with it, it goes up, playing a sound effect for a windmill with the accompanying wind sound that goes with it. So, moving on to our last and final feature asset room. This is a little drawbridge door. It is down right now, but it's just for the sake of the presentation. So if I hit the button here to interact with it goes back up. Then you have the accompanying squeaking wood sound as it goes back down. Yeah, that's the little featured assets and animation objects that I built inside this little level. So if we stop this, I'll show you inside Microsoft Visual Studio. We have an event manager for our doors that plays the audio clip. We have the door controller with a little debug log here that shows us the error messages, whether we've opened them or not, and using the message system inside the game to display if our character has done things or not. We have an event manager for the turbines that plays the audio as well as the components moving up and down. Same thing with this control turbine here. This was for the snap ID for the forklift. And then we have our object snapping script here for the forklift's tires and the hubcap. Same with the hubcap check here. So yeah. So I just wanted to give you a little rundown of what we did inside this level for this class at Full Sail University. Thank you very much for listening, and have a good one.